Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to talk about Algorand, conduct machine learning based price forecast, regression analysis, accumulation strategies, as well as summarized estimated bull run target for Algo. None of the content is financial advice, and this is not the first time we are covering Algorand on our channel. This is the channel we have made several videos related to Algorand, all in the pit of the bear market, related to how machine learning could be used to forecast Algorand and its price prediction, as well as regression analysis and all the content. Also, not just Algorand, also the pairs related to Algo, as well as some of the other cryptos in conjunction with Algo. uh, Today we are covering Algorand. Over the last 24 hours, Algo has rallied by about 32%. Over the last 7 days, about 56%. Market cap above 3 billion, volume above 1.3 billion. That means almost 40% of the market cap is the actively traded volume over the last 24 hours. In terms of tokenomics, Algo does have one of the best tokenomics in the crypto market. Has a predefined fixed market cap supply, max supply at around 10 billion, and out of which about 83% is already in circulation. So the impact of that is potentially, again, you can see this over the last 1 year or so. This is the price chart and this is the market cap chart. So essentially the price chart and the market cap chart are one and the same, and this is quite this you would find quite surprising that for most of the newer crypto that is not the case, because even though market cap is growing for most of the other newer cryptos, the price does not grow in conjunction with the market cap, because there are new token releases all throughout the market cap journey. I'll give you one example over here. For example, over here we can check Sui, which is one of the recently, and nothing against Sui, it's just how the recently launched coins behave. This is the logarithmic scale for Sui. This is the price chart, but if you see this chart and go to market cap chart, it's a totally different story altogether. Market cap has kept growing straight to the up and to the right, but price has had significant dumps. That is because as market cap grows, newer token are released. Again, tokenomics are similar. Again, max supply are 10 billion Sui, but only 28% of them are in circulation. So that means it is exactly the opposite of Algorand, almost even worse than Algorand, where about 72% of its max supply is still not in circulation, whereas for Algo, only 18% of its max supply is yet to be released. So you see the stark difference between how the market cap is growing from about less than a billion to now at around 10 billion, but price has grown from 59 cents to about three and a half dollars almost. In terms of gain is almost 6x, whereas market cap has grown by about more than 10x, almost 15x, from 600 million to about now 10 billion. So that's the purpose of analyzing the tokenomics, which does play a key role when all things else are equal. The technical analysis, before we do machine learning price forecast, these are some of the key technical analysis based level. This is a weekly chart of Algo. You can see there was a clear cut breakout from the bear market, or the bull market, rallying above the bull market support band sometime in early November 2024. The green levels are crossed. That price action was 18 cents. Those green levels offered significant resistance. Now the secondary level to watch is this 33 cents. Now price has rallied above 33 cents, right now at around 38 cents, but again has not put weekly closes above this 33 cents level. That would be a key level to watch. If the price solidifies above this 33 cents level, then the second level to watch is the 77 cents level. Price did spend considerable time in the summer lull of 2021, as well as the early bear market of 2022. So those are the secondary level is to watch at around 77 cents. First we look at if price solidifies at around 33 cents, and then the third level is at around $1.44. So those are the technical levels to watch for. Now we'll go to the machine learning price forecast for Algo. This is the weekly price action of Algorand, average weekly price action, and on this price action we have trained our machine learning model, and the model has provided three scenarios, which is at 68% allow one standard deviation bull case for Algo, one standard deviation bear case for Algo, and the actually trend based forecast. So the likely forecast based on the directionality of the model is slightly bullish again from the current level to 32 cents to about 34 cents. These are weekly averages, and these provide more directionality than actual values. For the actual values in a bull market, like we are in currently in right now, the one standard deviation bull case for Algo is between 36 cents till about 99 cents, or you can round it off to dollar. This is the one standard deviation case between early December, again this week ending on December 1st, the Sunday of this week, till about early May of 2025, the scenario. And again, week by week analysis and week by week values are all available on the bottom of your screen. This yellow line is represented by this bull case of about 68 percentile. You can see for this week the one standard deviation bull case was 37 cents. These are weekly averages, mind you. Now that the price is above 38 cents, that doesn't mean that the weekly average will be higher than 38 cents unless we have a parabolic rally for the remainder of the 2 days, that is Saturday, Sunday. But again, the weekly averages are still below 37 cents. Again, you can keep on following this till about at week by week level using this website cryptoweeklies.com. You don't have to sign up or pay for anything, and not just for Algo, we have this analysis for most of the top 100 cryptos by market cap. This graph is where the machine learning price forecasts are stored. And again, the bull case is again as explained earlier between 37 cents and about $1. The bear case is between 14 cents and about 29 cents again. This is, and what we like to do is not just share how prices could go up or go down. We back it up by the machine learning model, and also provide what is a theoretical upside and downside, which is equally important. Again, right now, as the markets are bullish, the propensity is to go up, but again, nothing goes up forever. There are phases of the market cycle where, again, you can see even in the bull market of 2020, ending 2020, there was a cool down in February 2021 when the price grew from 31 cents essentially till about $1.34. Again, we are in the, if you believe in the 4-year market cycle, we are honing in close to this level where during the end of year of the halving year till the first couple of months of post halving year, that's when major action occurred in the last market cycle. That's why we were stressing so much of our time in the one standard deviation bull case. In the euphoria case, again, that is like a hyper adoption kind of case, which is a 2 standard deviation or a mania phase for Algo. If that continues like it has been continuing till since early November of 2024, that once the 2 standard deviation or euphoria case at 95 percentile confidence level is between 41 cents till about $5.58 for Algo. Again, for this week, you can see that 2 standard deviation ceiling is at around 41 cents. So if we observe that the 1 standard deviation ceiling is continuously taken out, then the next level to watch is the 2 standard deviation. Again, that is not our base case at this point in time. At this point, as the rally has already taken place from 11 cents to 31 cents, what seems more likely is this yellow scenario, unless the market proves the forecast wrong. That is our base case at this point in time. Again, now and this is backed up by this thesis that this is the composite risk reward ratio based on the market cycle since January 2021 till about end of November 2024. We see that the latest normalized risk is at around 47%. So the way to interpret this information is we are somewhere over here at around this beginning of the moderate risk level exhibited in February 2021. The blow off top phase was in May of 2021. So again, the bull market has started somewhere. We are somewhere in the middle of the journey. Essentially, the depths of the bear market were over early 2023, Jan 1st of 2023 per this analysis. The risk levels, corresponding risk levels are at moderate risk. We did spend most of the time before the blow off tops, both in September 2021 as well as before the blow off top in early quarter 1 of 2021 as well. So just to summarize how this could look for Algo is if there were any continued euphoria phase rally, then again as the risk levels kind of move from this between this 0.4 and 0.6 risk level, and we start printing this high risk related prints that we started printing in early April 2021 till about May of 2021. That phase could be typified by some of the heightened risk levels, and again marking a great time to exit the market. Again, similar story towards the end of summer of 2021 as well as till about early November 2021. We are not in that environment as of now. We are in this environment in terms of the moderate risk regimen that the market is throwing at us. So this again, the way to interpret this is Algo is still exhibiting that one standard deviation yellow colored moderate risk environment based rally. If we see the market throwing this orange colored high risk rally, Algo makes this move to the 2 standard deviation, more than likely makes move to this 2 standard deviation bull case or the orange line over here. So there is a uniformity in the color codes as well on this website. Again, the overall sentiment over the last 24 hours is at around 54%, slightly leaning bullish. And one key thing to observe in this narrative based word cloud, all of the content again on cryptoweeklies.com, I'll show where to find them. This narrative word cloud looks at social media based sentiment over the last 7 days. So the key thing to look for Algo is this altcoin narrative is slowly heating up. The size determines how much discussions are going on and what is the overall sentiment in the market. Again, Bitcoin taking the center stage, but also now sharing some of the center stage with some of the altcoins and the alt season related news. As well as the US holidays, Thanksgiving. By the way, anybody celebrating Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving to them. In terms of now where to find these analytics on the website, these analytics indicators are on the top. The narrative cloud is the word cloud that we just saw. The peak valley, which is this composite risk score based analysis. The word cloud, the sentiment analyzer is this crypto TLDR kind of in a newsletter fashion. What are some of the popular news over the last 24 hours, and how can they be estimated based on like a composite analysis of all the news. You can see most of the narratives in this green are bullish. There are a couple of bearish narratives again. These are all identified by machine learning models. Again, these are not hard coded or something. We train the news based on bird based machine learning models. In terms of Algorand and its one more analytics that we would like to do is related to the regression based analysis for Algo. Over here, the regression function wrapped around this weekly candles for Algo. Again, the fair value for per this regression function for Algo is at around 38 cents. So in the bear market, that represented price action below this pink line represented a decent buy zone. Again, we can still argue that as the price has further room to rally based on this fair value assessment. Again, in the bull market, the prices not only go above the pink line, they also go above this yellow line, which again, yellow means 1 standard deviation residual, orange means 2 standard deviation residuals. So 2 standard deviation residual based valuation for Algo overheated Algo at this point in time, which is again analogous to what Algo did back in 2021. That level for Algo in terms of price is at around 97 cents. So 97 cents Algo at this point in time is as overvalued as back in 2021 Algo was overvalued at around $1.54. Again, this helps identify what are some of the risk rewards as well. But right now, per the model, we are barely closing in on the fair value for Algo. In terms of the accumulation strategies, the SMA model based on the how price is doing with respect to simple moving average, the risk level for Algo is at around 54%, and this model identifies again a moderate target for Algo between 94 cents till about $1.20, and the heightened or some of the lofty goal for Algo, again this is only 20 weeks into the future, between $1.27 and $1.46. So this is the first accumulation model. The second is based on the regression risk levels, again quite similar to regression model, helps identify when to DCA algo at some of the lower risk levels. Again, what you can do is this color codes can be again toggled on and off. If the hypothesis is only DCAing algo when the risk levels are less than 10%, helps us identify those zones and avoid DCAing at some of the higher risk levels, or DCA out of the market at the highest risk level. Again, you can do this uh, at your own discretion. Again, this is not financial advice. You can see this model does identify some of the topping scenario and risk levels at those scenarios as well. So per this model, I'll go above 55 cents. This is a very conservative model. Between 55 cents till about 76 cents represents moderate risk, and between 80 cents till about 96 cents represents a higher risk level. And this is again as of today. If you draw this regression line into the future, this shape of the regression line changes very soon. That is because the recency bias takes place, where this from the bottom the regression function has this upward swing. So again, this is as of today. um, and in terms of the time weighted average price, the price is still below the blue line, which represents a decent buy zone. Whenever the price is below this blue line, and if the crypto were to have a presence across multiple cycles like Algo has had since 2019, DCAing below this blue line offers a decent buy zone. Again, not the ultimate bottom, but again a range below which DCAing makes the most sense. Again, that blue line is coming in at around 48 cents for Algo. So all in all, if we were to estimate the bull run peak for Algo using these three models that we discussed, the weighted risk based on again the regression risk we saw at around 13%, time weighted average price as the price is below time weighted average price represents zero risk. Again, not, and again SMA risk at around 47%, weighted risk is at 16%, and the estimated bull run peak per this model is coming in at around $2.32. And from the current price of about 38 cents, that represents more than a 6x reward if the bull run peak were to be hit in this upcoming bull run at around $2.32. So with this, I would like to conclude the video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.